Stop letting email control you. I know emails are everywhere. They come to you day and night. But you know what? Emails are like dirty dishes. You never catch up. So stop trying and stop letting the dirty dishes control your day. Hi, my name is Pamela Deneuve, and after over 25 years of coaching lawyers, professionals, actors, athletes, and high-level professionals, I help them to break through barriers, help them to excel, to achieve beyond their expectations, and have a happy, successful, fulfilled, and prosperous life. Stay tuned, and let's talk about why you don't want to let emails control you. It's like emails, for example, is like you saying to someone, I want you to stop what you're doing. I don't care what your schedule is. I don't care if you have a deadline. I don't care if you have a priority. I don't care if you're not going to make money today. I want you to stop what you're doing. They're tapping you on the shoulder with the email. I want you to stop what you're doing and pay attention to what I need from you at this moment and this time. And I'm not saying to be insensitive to what others are requesting for you, but when you allow their needs and what they're asking you to take a precedence over what your needs are, guess what? Someone's going to end up suffering, and it might be you. I see many professionals that they're so focused on answering emails and trying to catch up on emails, which absolutely is impossible. They stop what they're doing, they look up at the end of the day, and they haven't accomplished anything that they wanted to accomplish this day. So it is important for you to realize that your day is your day with your priorities and your goals. And you allow yourself to fit in other people's needs and goals so that they are on a synergy with what your needs and goals are. But do not neglect your own goals, priorities, deadlines, and financial needs because you're so busy answering emails. You can't go home if you have a family and say, oh, I can't buy groceries or I can't pay the bills because I was so busy answering emails that I wasn't able to bill or I wasn't able to make money today. You are in charge of you and you are in charge of your business. So make a schedule when you're going to answer emails, maybe 2 periods or 3 periods during the day, and make your priorities the most important thing, your goals the most important thing, because your business, your happiness, and your success is your responsibility, and you can't hand this off to someone else because you're so busy answering their emails. Remember, emails are like dirty dishes. You'll never catch up. So just do what you can do in the periods allotted and make sure that your priorities come first because you are the boss of you.